Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Canva student app. I will walk you through all the steps, so let's get started. Head to the Google Play Store. This is where you will first land on. If you look at the bottom right corner, you will see a search icon. Tap on the search icon. And then on the top of the screen, you will see a search bar. Tap on the search bar and type Canva student. The Canvas has three different versions of the app. One is for student, one is for teachers, and the other is for parents. You can see that the other apps has Canvas parent or Canvas teacher specified, so you have to look for Canvas and then install it. Once you find the app, just tap on install and the installation will begin automatically. Its completion, however, will depend on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, you can simply tap it open from here, or you can also find it in your app drawer later. So it is this simple and easy to download Canva student app. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.